I will place myself on the left side of the chair, what will be to you close to the screen, close to your computer or your TV. And I will step first backward with my left. That will be the 3. The leader is there, and the leader is sending me to the other side. Now the leader is there. And then, from here, we will continue with side, backward. And that's all, because the leader is going to lead me a backward 8, and we will stop here in a sandwich. One more time, from the same starting point, back, side, forward, side, backward, backward 8, and here the leader will stop you in a sandwich. One more time, back, side, forward, side, back, backward 8, and here the leader will